What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know who it is and what it is. For those who are not, listen, tap in because we having some good times over here, okay? We're gonna have some good times over here. That song that you hear in the background is my very own. It's called Do You. Why? Because that's what we on right now. You understand what I'm saying? We are on a Do You vibe. Do what makes you happy. Be prosperous. Go after what it is that you want. Follow your dreams. All of that good stuff. That is the message behind Do You, in case anybody is wondering, okay? And you can find it on all platforms now. Also, No Different by Yanni. Find it on the platforms, most major platforms here included YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, you name it, okay? Now today, backed by popular demand, a lot of people ask for these and love these, okay? And if you would like me to further go into another video in which I show you how to do this, then I can do that. But it's pretty much self-explanatory, and what you're going to do is include and mix all of these ingredients to make something very special and powerful for yourself or for another, okay? What we're working with here is peppermint oil, fenugreek oil, maca root extract. What you see there is the GIHYL Vitality maca root extract. And yes, sold out right now, but we'll be coming back soon enough. Okay, in the meantime, I will still be bringing you content and much more, so you have to stay tuned. But the maca root, we have avocado oil. If you did not know, this is great for cooking, but also great for the skin. Olive oil, in addition to avocado oil, are things that are going to literally give you great moisture, okay? Hydration of the skin. Vitamin E, it is essential in dealing with even skin tone, getting rid of dark marks, things of that nature, as is aloe. Aloe is great, and all these things are honestly too, but you may not realize these things are great for the skin and for the hair, okay? In this particular video, what I'm saying is that you can mix these things to make a great plumping, if you will, solution for the glutes, but honestly, for the skin in general. And quite honestly, everything that you're seeing here, if this is also a great hair oil, okay? Now, the thing about this is that you don't need to overdo it. I always say this, but a little bit goes a very long way. And you can actually use all of these things, like I said, simultaneously with a hair care routine or a skincare routine. For this in particular, peppermint is going to give you that extra tingle. I say to use maybe a teaspoon of each of these things, but again, sometimes I don't even measure. I kind of just do what I do. Do you, okay? Do you. Know that if you add more peppermint though, it is going to add more of a tingling sensation for sure. You can put peppermint oil in soap as well. Great for shampoo and great to just add to your hair to get rid of bacteria and to again stimulate the scalp, okay? Now, in speaking of stimulation, yes, if you're adding this peppermint oil to these oils here and to this aloe vera juice that you see here, let me tell you something. If you apply it continuously to your skin, specifically in this video, to the buttocks, I'm not saying that you're just going to be out here with a badunkadunk necessarily, because quite honestly, that depends on a lot of things. Genetics, exercise, all of that. But what I will say is that if you continuously use this and you're adding it and rubbing it into the skin, into the glutes, you're going to be out here. Okay, your booty will be you'll be doing you, and your booty will be doing the booty. Okay, your booty will be bootying. That thing will be thanging. Okay, I'm not playing with y'all. I mix a lot of different things together. Quite honestly, I like to switch it up, but I'm trying to tell you that this right here, the aloe vera juice. Okay, and get the brands of your choice, but aloe vera juice, vitamin E, avocado oil, maca root, fenugreek oil, and this peppermint right here. Let me tell you something. If you do not feel like mixing up oils and things, or if you still even do, but you also want a little extra boost, then yes, I have the MACA booty butter via the site. Okay, I do have that available and I can get that to you ASAPidly. Just know that with your purchase comes a free gift always. I will include something free in there. And for those of you who tap in and listen to No Different and listen to Do You, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments section. Let me know via email. I much prefer that you do it in the comments just so everybody can see and be like, oh shoot, it's lit. Because if you feel in the songs like that, and I see you always tapping in, I got something special for those people who I see doing that. Okay, subscribing, right? Following on the socials, saying they playing the song, using the sounds in your videos. If I see you doing that, I'm gonna come up with a little special package just for you. I'll say that for a select few. We'll go with 3. We'll go with 3 people. I'm gonna start doing exclusive content or content that is early for some, music that might be out for earlier than for some than others. For those who subscribe and get the extra little, you know what I'm saying, subscription situation. The membership, if you will, because you can subscribe to the channel, but I mean actually going as far as subscribing, you know what I'm trying to say, for exclusive content. If you do that, I got you. I appreciate you all very, 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 very much. Have an amazing weekend, amazing week. Stay blessed. I mean, Thanksgiving is right around the corner. We have so much to give thanks for. Okay, so much to give thanks for. And I think that with everything that's gone on recently as well, I just want to say people are losing their lives every single day. My people. And I'm tired, you know. It takes a toll mentally. And to those of you who are dealing with the same issues, I just hope that you keep your head up and know that it's cliche, but trouble don't last always. It really doesn't, okay? And a lot of you may feel like, oh my goodness, I'm losing my way. It's too late to do this. It's too late to do that. No. You don't want to look back and say shoulda, coulda, woulda. So just do what you want to do today. Do you, okay? People are losing their lives. 28 years old? 28? Come on. And it's so crazy to me because how crazy is it that many that have recently lost their lives were all 28 years old? I really don't know what's going on, but what I do know is that God's got it, and we may not understand things right now, but I really, really pray for the families of everybody right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just very, very sad. You know, I can't, and I keep thinking about it. So yes, I just pray for those who've recently lost loved ones, those who are not knowing what they're gonna do, what the next move is. You know what I'm saying? I can't believe that Takeoff is really, really gone. It's like you don't know them personally, but you feel like you do. Shanquella Robinson. This is taking a turn, but be very careful and know this is not to blame any victim. This is to let you guys be aware of who it is that you're around. What do they really mean for you? What do they want from you? You know what I mean? If you feel kind of iffy about somebody, trust that. Trust that. And even if you don't feel iffy, just be aware that not everybody is in your corner or wishing for you to do the best. Okay? And some people are simply there to try to ride the bandwagon. Whatever it is, y'all be safe out here, man. Protect your energy, protect your peace, protect your space. Okay? I just wanted to say that. But these products here, you can definitely use, and I hope that you love them. So stay safe, stay blessed. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Don't steal anybody else's. It's just that simple. Be respectful, but respect yourself as well. And don't be worried about what everybody is thinking, this, that, and the third. You got to do you. And stay focused. Stay very, very, very focused, okay? Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. And know that I will most definitely be back with more. Okay, thanks for tuning in. And I'll holla.